In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove lines from TradingView step by step. As you can see, grid lines are the horizontal and vertical lines in the chart background. This includes the grid itself and the lines that move with your cursor. Some lines can't be removed, like the blue line that shows the current price. If the grid lines are distracting, you can easily turn them off. On PC or web, right-click anywhere on the chart and click Settings. Now go to the Canvas tab. Look for grid lines. Here, you'll see options for vertical and horizontal lines. To remove them, set both options to None and click OK. The grid lines will instantly disappear from your chart. If you ever want them back, just go to the same settings and enable vertical and horizontal again. Grid lines can be helpful for price tracking, but many traders rely on indicators instead. Disabling grid lines will remove them from both the main chart and indicator panels. And that's it. That's how you remove lines from TradingView. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.